Good evening, student. I am Anant Kumar Mahato, PhD research scholar from Ranchi University. I am studying lecture series of BSc Trigonometry. The first chapter is De Moivre's theorem. In this lecture, I am not going to prove the main De Moivre's theorem. Just in this lecture, I am showing that how we put a complex number in the form of r cos theta plus I sin theta. That is how we put x plus iy, complex number means x plus iy, in the form of r cos theta plus I sin theta. How you put x plus iy in the form of r cos theta plus I sin theta. For this we let x plus iy is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta, or in the left side x plus iy, and in the right side I am multiplying r in both the terms. Then we get r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Now equating real and imaginary parts both sides. In the complex number, what is the real part and imaginary parts? In the complex number, if a complex number x plus iy is given, then the term independent of I, that means x, is real part, and the coefficient of y, that means y is imaginary part. That means if we want to equate real and imaginary parts both sides, then in the left side, what is real part? X is real part, and in the right side, term independent of I, that means r cos theta is real part in the right side. So x is equal to r cos theta. And what will be the imaginary part in the left side? The coefficient of I will be the imaginary part. So y is imaginary part in the left side, and in the right side coefficient of I is r sin theta. So r sin theta is imaginary part in the right side. So x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. I am saying that this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now squaring both these equations and then adding. Squaring 1 and 2, then adding. So we get x square plus y square in the left side, and in the right side square of r cos theta, that means r square cos square theta, and square of right side of equation 2 is r square sin square theta. Then add in the left side x square plus y square, and in the right side r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Or in the left side x square plus y square, and what will be the common in the right side? R square is common in both the terms. So we take common r square in both the terms. We get cos square theta plus sin square theta. or x square plus y square is equal to r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. What will be the value of this? This is 1. So r square into 1, that means r square is equal to x square plus y square, or r is equal to root under x square plus y square. The value of r square will be root under x square plus y square. And what will be the value of cos theta and sin theta? Cos theta and sin theta. What will be the value of cos theta and sin theta? For this, we put the value of r in equation 1. Putting r is equal to root under x square plus y square in equation 1, we get x is equal to r means x square plus y square root under into cos theta, or cos theta is equal to x by root under x square plus y square. Similarly, what will be the value of sin theta? Similarly, if we put the value of r, that is root under x square plus y square in equation 2, we find sin theta is equal to y by root under x square plus y square. So value of cos theta is x by root under x square plus y square, and value of sin theta will be y by root under x square plus y square. And what will be the value of tan theta? Tan theta means sin theta divided by cos theta. If we multiply small r in numerator and denominator, what will we get? We get r sin theta divided by r cos theta. And r sin theta, from equation 2 we see that r sin theta means y, that means y divided by r cos theta. From equation 1, r cos theta is x. So tan theta is equal to y by x. These are the expression. If we want to find the value of theta, then theta will be tan inverse y by x. So we see here how we write the complex number x plus I in the form of r cos theta plus I sin theta. If we want to write the complex number x plus I y in the form of r cos theta plus I sin theta, then what will be the value of r? R will be root under x square plus y square, and cos theta will be x divided by root under x square plus y square, and sin theta will be y divided by root under x square plus y square. And if we want to find the value of theta, then what will be the value of theta? For finding the value of theta, we find tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta divided by cos theta. If we multiply small r in numerator and denominator, then we get r sin theta in numerator and r cos theta in denominator. R sin theta means, from equation 2, r sin theta means y, that is r sin theta means y divided by r cos theta means x. So that tan theta is equal to y by x, and theta will be, if we find the value of theta from this equation, then theta will be tan inverse y by x. These are the formulas which we need to prove the De Moivre's theorem. Thank you.